5 brutal reasons to not invest like Elon Musk. Hey guys, today we're going to list 5 brutal reasons to not invest like Elon Musk. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Elon Musk can afford to make speculative bets. According to Forbes, Musk is worth an estimated $263.4 billion in 2022. According to many estimates, he is the world's richest person, surpassing other well-known billionaires such as Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, and Warren Buffett. It goes without saying that Musk and ordinary investors do not have the same stakes. While an error in the average person's stock portfolio can be disastrous, Musk can afford breathtaking fluctuations. If you remember and never break the rule of never invest money that you can't afford to lose, you shouldn't have to worry about running out of funds in retirement. You'll have enough money to deal with a potentially disastrous event, such as job loss or illness. The key is to start saving before you start investing. You should not invest money that you require to meet other obligations. Overreaching, putting in more money than you can afford, and going for a big payout is a natural human tendency. In the face of loss, this trait tends to become exaggerated. The belief that you've invested too much to walk away is known as the sunk cost fallacy. Rather than selling in the face of losses, someone may decide to hold on to an underperforming stock, or worse, buy more. Number 2. Musk's risk tolerance isn't the same as ours. All investments involve some level of risk, and knowing one's risk tolerance level aids investors in planning their entire portfolio and determining how to invest. Investors are classified as aggressive, moderate, or conservative based on how much risk they can tolerate. Risk tolerance assessments, such as risk-related surveys or questionnaires, are available online. An investor may also wish to examine historical returns for various asset classes in order to determine the volatility of various financial instruments. An investor's time horizon is one factor that influences risk tolerance. With a long time horizon and a financial goal, an investor may achieve higher returns by carefully investing in higher risk assets such as stocks. Lower risk cash investments, on the other hand, may be appropriate for short-term financial goals. The future earning capacity of an investor, as well as the presence of other assets such as a home, pension, social security, or inheritance, influence risk tolerance. When an investor has other, more stable sources of funds available, he or she can take on more risk with investable assets. Furthermore, investors with a larger portfolio may be more risk tolerant, as the percentage of loss in a larger portfolio is much lower than in a smaller portfolio. Investors with a higher risk tolerance are more likely to favor ETFs or stocks. There is, however, high risk tolerance and Musk-level risk tolerance. With billions of dollars at your disposal, you can afford to take huge risks in business and investing. Number 3. Musk enjoys inciting controversy. Another aspect of Musk's unpredictability is that you can never be too sure that what he says is genuine. The billionaire is well known for his ability to incite a few controversies. It's unusual for a CEO embroiled in so much scandal, controversy, and alleged misconduct to remain at the helm of 4 companies worth billions of dollars. Insiders spoke with Duncan Levin, a criminal defense attorney who represents high-profile clients such as Harvey Weinstein, Claire Bronfman, and Anna Delvey. No one is scandal-proof, although obviously Elon Musk is somewhat insulated from fallout since he runs his own company. Musk, for example, has been accused of creating a toxic culture of racism and sexism at the companies he runs. In June, 15 former and current black Tesla employees filed a racial discrimination lawsuit against the electric car manufacturer. Musk's aerospace company, SpaceX, paid a flight attendant $250,000 to settle a sexual misconduct claim against the CEO in 2018. Despite his antics, Musk has largely avoided professional consequences. Furthermore, the tech billionaire's personal life generates the kind of tabloid frenzy reserved for Hollywood A-listers, and his professional stunts send certain stocks into a tailspin. Whether it's drama from his personal life, highly controversial statements that border on offensive, or off-the-cuff, tongue-in-cheek comments, Musk is not afraid to speak his mind, and sometimes he seems to speak just for the sake of speaking his mind. Number 4. We don't live on the same timescale as billionaires. Although even the world's wealthiest have yet to crack the code of eternal life, time does not have the same meaning for us as it does for the extremely wealthy. While most of us have a fairly straightforward timeline, we work from our 20s to our 60s and hope to earn enough money to retire, billionaires have a slightly different timeline. They can wait as long as it takes to get the most out of an investment, and they don't have to worry about retirement. It makes no sense for us to mimic their cadence. Number 5. Musk did not amass his fortune through investment. Unlike a well-known billionaire like Warren Buffett, Musk did not make the majority of his fortune through investments. He rose to prominence by founding or co-founding numerous companies, including PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX. So unless you have several business ideas up your sleeve, you probably can't be like Musk. Yes, he made some of his fortune through investments, but they were particularly risky and unlikely to be the ones that the majority of us could make. It's also worth noting that Musk grew up wealthy. In Zambia, his parents owned an emerald mine. As they say, he started on third base. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.